right, now we just hopped off a roof. And that's a new customer right there. Hopefully I get another Google review. You know, I went over there. She wanted her leaves. She wanted them up. Well, I told her if I bagged them, it was gonna cost her. She wanted them just mulched up. I mulched them up. Got everything mulched up real good. She wanted the leaves blown off the roof. And guys, she has the perfect roof. Like, her gutters have covers over them, so no leaves get stuck in the gutter. So I just had to get up there and blow some stuff down off the roof. But I got over there yesterday. I started the job, and then today I finished it up. So good little job. I ain't gonna say what I got paid, but it was a nice little job. And I got another roof I actually got to get. I'm just waiting on him to answer the phone. But I got 2 more I got to cut today. New properties. One is a guy who has a rental property. He's trying to get somebody in to rent it out. Another one is a guy that stays out. He's got just had rotator cuff surgery, so he needs the last cut of the year, so I'm gonna go cut his yard. But here's the question: the guy out of town, how would you handle it, fellas? Would you need payment up front, or would you wait on your check? First time dealing with you. I already know pretty much the answer. Some of you guys are gonna say, but I just want to know, do you do it? Because it's been a crazy year, long season, and funny business out here. That's the reason why I'm switching a lot of things next year, fellas. So I'm gonna get over here, get what you got. All right, we out here. Yeah, one today. It's a rental property. The guy gave me a call off Google, and he wants me to clean it up before the tenant gets in. So check it out. He wanted the tree cut right there, but I cannot cut no trees down. And look, it's right by the carport. So we'll get to that stage one day. So all these leaves, we're gonna clean them up, blow it up, mulch it up. And guys, I'm telling you, get your Google reviews up, man. If you don't have them, my suggestion, get your Google reviews up. The Google reviews, they really help. Just gonna take all that, I'm gonna blow that in the back of there. Get all that cleaned up, blow that all back there, put it on the back. All that's cleaned up. Gonna make it look way better than it looks right now. And good thing, you know, we got these cameras too. I think the guy's gonna be straight, but keep these cameras just in case. Cameras are like insurance. Get your Google reviews up, man. I'm telling you, you'd be surprised. All you gotta do is show up, beat the prices, or get the prices right at that, and then you in the game, man. So just do what you gotta do. Get your people to leave some reviews. The reviews gonna turn into money. Yeah, I'm ready for 2023. But let me get out here, man. Get this knocked out. Get with you in just a second. right, man, got it cleaned up. Looking way better. So, want them leaves up, they up. And man, I'm telling you guys, that Google has done amazing things for me this fall. I know I picked up maybe 10 new jobs, 10 new customers, which is very good since Thanksgiving. So, got that thing cleaned up, man. And get back here to the house, man. Stop and give me some fuel stabilizer. You ready to put the moors up pretty soon, and holler at you guys.
Start smoking.